Hello, teacher. Hello, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about my lesson number 19. There are 6 cognitive limitations self-realization, fear of failure, fear of systems, fear of lack of understanding, fear of lack of conditions, and lack of vision for the future. Through the roadmap, there's cognitive limitation and barrier will be removed from within. As the saying goes, an ant, if it exerts a force from the outside, is food, and inside it is life. Thank you for listening.